look on this one, yeah. Me never hear this before. Because them say Killer Whale using tongue. And that's why they arrest him right now.
Deeper TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool on.
Me I telling you people, you know, after Berlin, it seems like Jamaicans turn up the thing again, you know, because an arrest was made of a man by the name of Killer Whale. And you know where this arrest made? This arrest was made in Portmore, Jamaica. Me not go around it, you know. The Portmore people them are going away right now, you know. Me not tell you no lie. Me not tell you no lie. Big up everybody who from Portmore because me not disrespect no guy, but right now, me actually want to say Portmore area, only if you know, you have to do some things better. You can't make it on the Approach TV for this. Y'all got it? A sanitary worker has been arrested and charged by investigator at the CISOCA agent, y'all got it, for allegedly sexually molesting an 8-year-old girl in Portmore, St. Catherine. Them boy are nasty, you know. YouTube, them boy are nasty, you know. TikTok, them boy are nasty, you know. Don't flip-flop, you know. Leave your comment on them one here, you know. Because an 8-year-old, the boy gone to. 8-year-old. He has been identified as Marlon Gayle. Marlon Gayle. Me not know why when your mother did that have you, she never failed. Otherwise called Killer Whale. Me rotted. You couldn't plan it out no better. A big swimmer. Them say Killer Whale of Portmore, St. Catherine has been arrested because he using tongue pan a little 8-year-old girl and lick her down from head to toe. Imagine, me no know. He has been charged with sexual touching of a child, sexual assault, and sexual grooming of a child. Reports are since 2023, Gayle has been sexually allegedly assaulting 8-year-old, and report was made at the police station. Following an investigation, Gayle was taken into custody and subsequently charged. Right now, him head should have stuck right between the bars. You hear what me I say? At them file, PD, thing ya the Jamaicans them a do for a while. Jamaicans, I told you, they are some cereals. I mean, non talk about cornflakes, Floston Flakes, Cheerios. No, not oatmeal, not porridge. Them boy ya need to get put in a situation. What mean? Them boy ya need to get dropped in a lava. Simple. That are the only punishment me can see them worthy of. Right now, Marlon Gayle. Like I said, when your mother did have you, she should have failed. Because them call this fool Killer Whale. And what the big fish do? Nothing more than a lick down one 8-year-old from head to toe. And from 2023, them know. Imagine that. Them boy have to feel it hot. When him reach in a jail, between the two bars, him head fi stuck. Imagine if I your little baby girl. That's why evil can't stop in this world. Leave your comment on this one. Marlon Gayle, your mother should have failed. But right now, the government not gonna fail. From the youth 8. The boy a use her like a bait. Big whale, a big fish. This situation yeah, is uncouth and unkind. But I overstand. Just like the Most High is amongst us, so is the devil embedded in mankind. Because them boy are no mankind. And mankind, a 8-year-old, almost got swallowed by big whale. This killer whale here is not a real mammal, you know. This killer whale is not a swimming urchin or creature, you know. It's a walking fish. Portmore, no good. An 8-year-old was almost swallowed by killer whale. A man by the name of Marlon Gayle, Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roads TV. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more lava pan them. More fire pan them.
Big up Deep Roads TV every time. Blessings, Rasta Soldier, you already know. Bless up.
I don't know in Deep Roads TV and a big up and a locking and tuning, sin. Rastafari, give thanks.